Hi.
If you are willing to learn skills online for free, this program is for you. The Digiskills program is aimed at equipping our youth, freelancers, students, professionals, etc. with the necessary knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to seize the opportunities available in international and local online job marketplaces, to earn a living or to supplement their income. Digiskills program is for you if you are a student, a housewife, a job seeker, a professional, or a freelancer who wants to enhance his or her skill set to start earning more. Please watch this video till the end. Let's get started. In order to apply, simply search Digiskills in your browser. On Digiskills website, navigate to course enrollment for batch 9. Click and read all instructions on the new page. After reading all instructions, click Sign Up. On Sign Up screen, enter your email. Then, enter your password. Remember or save this email and password. Go to your email and verify your email address. After successful verification, you will see this message. Click on Sign In. Enter your email and password you entered while signing up. Click Sign In.
Now you will see this screen in LMS window. On this screen, complete your profile. Enter your first and last name, your gender, date of birth, CNIC number, or BForm number. If you don't have any of these, enter your father or mother's ID card number. Enter your current address details, yours or Gradient's phone number if you don't have any. Now enter your qualification details. Fill out other necessary details. After filling out this form, make sure you have entered the correct details and click Submit. On this new screen, choose freelancing and any other skill you want to learn. If you are an old student, you can choose any 10 skills. After you have selected your desired skills, click Save. After clicking Save, you will see a success message. If you have any questions, ask in comment section of this video. Wait till February 1st, 2021. Check out the necessary links on this website LMS structure. You are done, learn skills, and earn online. Share this video with others also. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. All relevant links will be in the video description.